Hey guys, what's up? This is Rukshika Rajkumar from Arduino Projects by R, and today I'm going to present you one of the products which I bought recently, and it's known as an adjustable voltage protector. This is an MCB switch, also known as the miniature circuit breaker, and is useful when the voltage of your main supply is above or below a limited range. It can also be used to control the amperes of the electrical supply. Now let me show you the main technical parameters. The rated voltage is 230 volts, 50 Hz. The rated current is 40 amps and 63 amps. The undervoltage protection value is 219 volts to 150 volts. Which means this adjustable voltage protector wouldn't give the output if the input voltage is between 219 and 150 volts. This range is also adjustable, and the overprotection value is 221 voltage to 300 volts, and this one is also adjustable. The recovery delay time is 2 to 512 seconds, which means when there's an automatic shut off, it takes between 2 to 512 seconds to be switched on again. The power on delay time is 2 to 255 seconds, which means when there's an undervoltage protection and if the adjustable voltage protector is to give its output value, it has to be switched on, and the delay time is between 2 to 255 seconds. Its dimension is 86 by 36 by 66 millimeters. You can see the diagram here, and this is the input. The N means it's neutral and the L means it's live. The wires must be connected in the right way or else this switch won't work. And this is the output, and they must also be connected in a similar way. The screen will display the input voltage even when it's over voltage or an under voltage. Now let me unbox this. It comes with an instruction manual for smart over or under voltage current protector, and in this manual you can see how to use it. Now let me show you the product. So this one is similar to the one in the diagram, and in this screen you can see the voltage, and in this screen you can see the amperes. This set of controls can be used to control the over voltage and the under voltage ranges. For example, if you are using a product which just uses the 2 amps, you can adjust the range. This circuit breaker will perform its task when the amperes exceeds 2 amps. The circuit breaker is useful when there are aged people at home and during lightning conditions they wouldn't be able to change the circuit breaker, so this adjustable voltage protector would help them. And it's also useful in places where people don't have knowledge of electricity. There's a similar switch which can be controlled by Arduino, and I will show you that switch in my future uploads. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe, like and share.